Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Titanium Institute of Spoken English Language. I am Himanshu Paliwal back with one more stunning GD video, that is, which facilities are better, private hospitals versus government hospitals. I request to our viewers that if you have any unique or creative point, then must write in the comment section. And one more thing, that is, nowadays our viewers are actively participating in each and every GD videos, and that is a very beautiful thing. I am very thankful to our each and every viewers. So here in this session we have two brilliant orator between us. One side Mr. Harsh is here, another side Mr. Vasu is here. They both will exchange their point, they both will ask question to each other, and if you have any question from their material, then you should mention in a comment section. So are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So directly going from this side.
So, thank you, sir. I'm going to speak about government hospital facilities in the favor of. Government hospital facilities are way better than private hospital facilities, in my opinion. Many of us can't afford private hospital expensive treatment, so it is very better option to go in government hospitals. And my second point is trust. Indian people have a trust with government hospitals because their doctors are practicing for many years, and a relation between patient and doctor have been built. My third point is all the funds of government hospital directly go to central government, and government use it to in the welfare of Indian people and development of our country. So that's from my side. Thank you.
Okay, 3 points mentioned by him. One first point is of less expensive, second point is of trust, and third point, that is this beautiful point, that is government hospitals fund is for the welfare for the people and society. Any counter question, Mr. Harsh?
Yes. You spoke very well. I appreciate you. And I have one question for you. That you said that government hospitals fund are going to central government.
Yes.
In this process, many of ministers are there, and they corrupt easily. And many of them are doing this corruption. What will you say?
Sorry, sir, but in which world you are living? Gone are the days. Today's everything is digital, and each and every record directly go to government, and so there is no and very less chance of corruption. I don't think that it's a major issue now.
But the corruption has not stopped yet.
Yes.
Okay, but one thing that I want to ask, what about the hygiene?
Yes, absolutely, you are right. I agree that now today's situation hygiene is less than private hospital, but sir, we are a developing country, and it is also a responsibility of an individual, because if individual is maintaining hygiene in government hospital, it is absolutely clean hospitals.
So it's an public initiative to
It's also
offer.
depend on public.
Okay, so I think so it's right time to start your perspective also.
Okay, I am going to favor private hospitals. So my first point is they provide quiet rooms. They provide quiet rooms and private space to patients, which they help to make comfortable and rest without worrying that other patients will come in a room and other.
Okay, nice point.
And my second point is, in a public hospital, many of crowd are there. In private hospital, less crowds are there, and it is very helpful for the patients to go in hospitals and do proper and get a proper treatment.
Okay. Nice point mentioned by you, Mr. Harsh. First point is of the privacy, that they have separate compartments in the private hospitals, and second thing is of a crowd as compared to the government hospital. The private hospitals are quite less crowd is there because
Yes.
they have the facilities of fulfill the facilities of each and every patient. Okay, any counter question, Mr.
Yes,
Vasu?
absolutely, sir. I have two questions. First one is, you said that there is less crowd in private hospitals.
Yes.
In my opinion, if there is no government hospital, then you should see the crowd in private hospitals, because if there is government hospital, then most of the public comes in government hospital. That's why there is less crowd in private hospital.
No, but many publics are going to big government hospitals, not local government hospital like CHC, that kind of. As we can see that private hospital are more. That's why the crowd less.
Okay, so my next question is, why Why private hospitals are so expensive? So expensive.
Yes, they are expensive, but they provide a quality of treatment also.
Okay. Nice point mentioned by you, that is of a quality of treatment. Okay, if I conclude this topic, yes, government hospitals are providing their healthcare treatment at free of cost. Not everyone can afford to go in private hospitals, but everyone can go in a government hospital and get the benefit from it. Another thing is that you mentioned a very good point, that is of a crowd, okay, and privacy. Yeah, the government, the facilities of service, I can say that the service and the treatment in a private hospitals are quite better, because they have the separate compartment. Even the hygieneness we have seen in the private hospitals are more as compared to the government hospital. But you mentioned a very counter answer, that uh, they are changing in by time. We have seen the condition that if I talk about the 3 years or 4 years back, then condition of hospitals are worst.
Yes.
And but now the government is implementing many schemes to improve the government hospital. So you both mentioned a very healthy points. I request to our viewers that if you have any question from their stuff, then must write in a comment section. And if you like our video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much.
Thank you.